Hey guys, Zach Ginn again here, and what I want to do right now is share with you some amazing highlight features that you might not know about XLeads. So I think first and foremost, our skip tracing, I don't know if we talked about it too much, but our skip tracing has three different plans for the three different tiers, right? It's going to be 10 cents, 8 cents, or 7 cents. It's reflective of the cost it cost us to go out here and get the skip tracing. We're not trying to make any extra money off of you. We're trying to get you the highest quality skip tracing possible. The honest truth is, to get the best skip tracing, it ain't cheap. And to have the best dispositions platform possible, we have to have something that has the perfect skip tracing, or what we call lead tracing, for your LLCs and corporations. Our data is updated daily. We go through the MLS every single day to make sure to know if the property is on market or off market. On top of this too, we do have a mobile app and a Drawing for Dollars app that is absolutely amazing. If you're looking to wholesale land, you go into XLeads and do that really easily, and so much more. What I want to do is get behind the platform right here just so you can see some extra features you might have not saw before. So I'm inside XLeads here, and the first thing I want to show you is the Optin Forms section. So inside here too, you can actually create lead forms because you get a CRM with the software, the best CRM in wholesaling, that if I wanted to just create a little form right here, copy and paste it, without even doing any work, you can go out here and just submit any leads. You can send this out to anybody and they can put all the information in and it goes straight into your CRM. Top of this too, you can create a opt-in form for buyers and sellers in here with assigned autoresponders. But really you can even make a widget like this where, let's choose a green one. You can create something really awesome and redirect it to a URL when it's done. So if you're looking to do JV deals or anything like that, it's already done for you in the CRM. Now, speaking of the CRM too, if I want to go out here and email blast all of my buyers, all I have to do is just choose which properties are associated with the buyers if I know them. If I want to filter out even easier. So if I want to go email blast a bunch of my buyers, all I have to do is go to my contact section. The contact section is supposed to have any type of contact possible. Sellers, buyers, commercial people, other landlords that we deal with, lease option people. This has all the contacts in our wholesaling business. If I want to talk to sellers and buyers, BPO agents, attorneys, contractors, tenants, anything in real estate, they're all going to be in here. So for example, if I want to go and text blast all of my buyers, all I can do here is click buyers, click all of them right here, lead trace them and get their phone numbers. I can even add them to our autoresponder system and get their phone number through the skip tracing. Now, let's say I want to go out here and email blast them. I can go to my type, go to buyers and click all of them. And I can click this email button and then send them all an email blast through the amazing software. I think our deal analyzer is really cool in here too. So if you go right here to analyze, you can get a deal analyzer. This is part of the CRM too. So I can just click the lead and boom, the CRM's all connected. But if I want to go out here and just click the analyze feature, I can go out here and analyze all my deals. All the information is already popped in the deal analyzer. And we can look up holding costs, financing costs, if we're looking to actually be a landlord on this property, what the ROI on flipping it would be. It's really, really cool to have that in here. Now in the deal analyze section, I can go to a rehab estimator tool, which I think is pretty dang cool. Now I already had this property in here. So if I go to the rehab estimate, maybe I have a deal and I want to figure out for this property on Import Drive, how much is it going to cost for some repairs? Let's say we need to redo the roof. It needs a new roof. I'm going to click yes here. And I'm going to say, okay, well, it's going to be a rollover type roof. It's going to cost me about $288 a square foot. A new roof's going to be about $6 grand. Now, maybe, you know what? Hey, the numbers are a little off here. It's closer to like $9 a square foot to do a rehab like that. It's going to say, hey, your repair cost is going to be 18 grand to redo the roof. So all you have to do is just figure out what the unit cost is, and all the information's already done for you. Roof sheathing's already going to be done. Hey, I just got to repair a little bit of the roof. It's going to be $1 grand. And from there. And so maybe it doesn't need a roof replacement, but everything else is pretty cool. Gutters, painting. So let's say the property needs just to paint from the inside and outside. These are rough unit numbers, by the way, right? Trying to make this as easy as possible. Click it right there and boom, $6,700, painting, exterior, interior, including the cost of materials. Now on top of this too, we just got to redo the flooring. So maybe hardwood on the property, solid wood. And really, let's say it's going to be for 1,200 square feet in there. and it's going to give us a cost of the flooring. Hardwood is kind of expensive. I'd probably just do vinyl instead, but everything you need to know is in here, so it's easy as possible. And you can also add miscellaneous things. Staging, permitting, like even if you're going to flip it like crazy, this rehab estimator is not like the general ones that we have. Everything for figuring out the exact rehab cost is going to be in here, easy for you. And the unit costs are already set up for you there. And if you want to get a little crazy, right, you can do our rehab planner. So if you're actually looking to do like a real rehab, if you're actually really fixing and flipping, you can create a plan in here and it's pretty cool. You can figure out what you want to do the plan, make a budget, talk about it, deal with your partners, HVAC, plumbing, all the cost in real estate investing and flipping. It's all going to be in here so you can create a plan and stick to it for your flipping. Trust me, as a guy that flips a lot of houses, I wish I had this, and I currently have it right now. Also input your property for the rehab planning, and all the numbers are plug and play, so your life is a lot easier. Right here is our Autoresponder tool, which I think is extremely valuable for emails, where you can auto-respond based off of anything inside the CRM. Okay, we're going to try a quick autoresponder template, and we can figure out which one we want to do. Let's say we're dealing with sellers, and let's say I want to email blast probates. That sounds kind of cool. We already have an inherited probate property autoresponder. Absentee owners, there's a lot of really cool ones on here, even people that are in your contract who own raw land. It's pretty gangster. You press next, and I really like the "are you prepared to sell your home" type thing. But really what it does is it sends to your sellers, if you can get their email, which any generic skip tracing can get if you use like the free ones, True People Search, cyber background checks. But if you lead trace your numbers, which you're already going to skip trace them, you can go out here, insert those sellers in the contacts, and then put them all in an autoresponder drip. Number one, a report on their home, which we look here. Now you can change it, like this is general that you can switch, but hey, thanks for reaching out to me. Get your free report here. If I go here, you can choose how to do auto responding, where basically every 3 days on your sequence, you can go out here and reach out to motivated sellers. Let's go back and actually do a more motivated seller type thing. And let me show you what like a motivated seller one looks like. So I press next here, I get a pre-written one. Let's do an absentee owner and show you what it is. So it gives you a report on your property if you want some information of it. Also, when the price is right. So it looks like something like this. Thanks for downloading our ebook. I would not do that. Of course, we're doing that to make it look a little better. But something like, thanks for reaching out to me, and just get rid of this. If you're looking to sell your home quickly, we're here to help. Don't hesitate to call our office or email us at this, and boom, it gets our quick core website. Now, on top of this too, it just gives more and more emails, which I'm telling you, these are templates. I think you should switch them up and change them. But like at the end, you get emails like this. I get rid of this first half, but like if you're still looking to sell, let us help. Let's explore your options available for selling your home. And boom, you can go out here and give a wholesaling friendly autoresponder for your deals. Now this works really good too if you want to do cash buyers. It's going to take some time for you to put all the information in there, but from a click of a button, absolutely included with your XLeads subscription, you can put auto drip sequences on your buyers, your sellers, and really any real estate professional that you see fit in your contacts. Top is two, this is our Scrum board, basically our CRM board too. And then we can go even deeper for all of our properties. Heck, we go to the properties tab. You see it here, right? It's where our documents are. We can upload all of our contracts. We have our calendar feed, which we can sync up really to any calendar out here. So when my acquisitions people have appointments, it goes on my personal calendar to see, which is awesome. Your tasks, which are really important if you're running a CRM and a bigger company. And of course, our free real estate wholesaling course if you want to get the knowledge of what to do, and more videos on XLeads. Of course, we have an FAQ here if you have any questions. For example, what's lead pipes? How's the direct mail work? How are the comping features working? How to create the reports and everything you need to know in here. It works really well. But really, overall, XLeads is the ultimate software for your success. You have the top lead polling in the country, the best comping, as you can see here, just going through the software really quick, just quick comparables. There's no other software near this that's gonna have you to wholesaling success. Heck, even in here, if I wanna give lowball offers to people who have MLS properties looking to wholesale MLS properties, I just go here to include active listings, And maybe I want to find active listings on pre-foreclosures or absentee owners. And my personal favorite, when we're going out here and looking for MLS properties to wholesale, days on market, you want that over 90 days. Put the keywords, good bones, whatever you want. You can get your next wholesaling real estate deal easily by doing this. If you're a big land wholesaler too, remember, we have the best land filtering in the game right here. You just click the land button and boom, all the info you need for wholesaling land is right there and comping your land. But overall, you've heard it. You've seen the beginning, you've seen the Dispo, you've seen the CRM, you see the AI, and you see the other features XLeads has for you. XLeads is the ultimate wholesaling real estate software that's all in one. Everything from your marketing at the leads, all the way to your CRM, having AI help you with the entire process, and obviously the greatest dispositions tool out there in wholesaling, all for the low price starting at only $49 a month. If you're ready to take your wholesaling game to the next level, go to XLeads and stop paying for all these other subscriptions. One software for everything wholesaling real estate.